Happy New Year, everyone! 2025 is here, and I wish you all a fantastic year ahead, where all your dreams come true. You've probably noticed the talent transformation video I showed at the beginning of this video. These types of videos are trending everywhere: TikTok, Instagram, and especially on YouTube Shorts. For example, take this video. It's only been up for a month, and it already has 12 million views. Pretty awesome, right? Now you might be wondering, can this kind of content even qualify for monetization on YouTube? Let's find out. Go to YT Large, click Monetization Checker, and enter the channel link. As you can see, this channel is already monetized, and the monthly earnings are looking pretty great too. So, are you tempted to start your own channel and earn some extra income? But wait, you might ask, how do I even create videos like this? No worries. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to create transformation videos using AI tools and share free AI tools and how to use them. So make sure to watch till the end. There are a few important tips, and I'll also share the exact prompts I use at the very end. Alright, let's dive in. First, open ChatGPT and ask it to generate some prompts. Let's start simple. I'll use these two prompts to generate images. Next, go to Piclumen AI. Click Create, set up the image settings, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Done. Pick an image you like and download it. For the second image, follow the same steps, generate and download. Okay then, let's try more complex prompts. Back to ChatGPT. This time, let's use a more advanced prompt. Generate the image, and once it's ready, download it to your computer for later. Now we need video clips. Open Hailuo AI and click Create. We'll make 4 clips. 1. The starting scene. 2. The transformation process. 3. The final transformation reveal. 4. A showcase of the transformed version. First clip. Drag the first image into the tool and use the prompt. The woman walking toward the camera. Click Generate. Second clip. Use the same image but change the prompt to the woman squats down while huge white smoke emerges from the ground in front of her, blocking her. Click Generate. Fourth clip. Drag the peacock image into the tool and use the prompt. The peacock spreads its tail and looks left and right. Click Generate. Once the video is generated, download it. For the third clip, open this video, capture keyframes, and save them to your computer. Now open Kling AI, select Image to Video, and use the saved frames. For the prompt, write, "The white smoke slowly dissipates, revealing a peacock." Click Generate, and your third clip is ready. Finally, it's time to edit. Open CapCut and import all your video clips and background music. Always use copyright-free music to avoid future issues with YouTube monetization. You can find music in the YouTube Studio library, or if you're uploading from your phone, use the music library in Shorts. Alternatively, try Pixabay for free music. Now, drag the sample video into the timeline, zoom in, and split it into segments. Replace the sample clips with your own video chips. Add your music. And export the final version. Here's how the final video looks. If you've followed along, you should have a stunning transformation video ready to upload. Oh, and don't forget, I've shared the exact prompts I used in this video. You can pause the video now and copy them. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video. Good luck!